to riding this long on a bike. Whew, I gotta get used to this again. I love my new grips. Check them out. I don't know if you can see them. These are Avon grips that I have had in the garage for, oh God, 2 years almost, it feels like. The ones, I think they might actually be stock to the bike. I could be wrong. But the ones I had on were just so worn that the black of the foam was turning my hands black as well. So thank God for gloves. You can't really tell the difference, but it was getting to the point where it was just, you touch it and your hand is black. So it needed to happen. And thanks to actually Tony Cox's video on his Sportster and how he changed out his grips helped me and my husband, team effort here, change out our grips on mine. And there was some struggle, of course. A lot of banter back and forth, a couple swear words, but this is all strengthening the relationship, building a better wife and husband relationship. I don't know. But they feel amazing. And just to get like the throttle back, that's the part of me that had me a little concerned. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go on this first bike ride and it better work as normal or else I'm screwed. But it seems to be going quite well. It's actually keeping my hands a lot warmer than I thought, because I don't know, I'm in denial that it's still early summer, good Lord, early spring here in Wisconsin, and barely 50 degrees, I think it is, but I'm still gonna go out and ride. So if I had the chance, I'm going to, but I just don't want to put on my winter gloves. They're just so much to them, and I don't feel like I have fingers when I ride with them. So I've got my like breathable summer gloves on already. I don't know. Suck it up. It'll be fine. I'm good. But yeah. I'm not sure if there's any more modifications that I can do to this bike. For me, I would get weird looks if I told someone that I wanted to like paint a gas tank on this 100th anniversary edition. People would just look at me like, oh my God, what are you doing? So I kind of have to stay true to what it is. It's a classic, but my mind just comes up with all of these different ideas that I would love to do to it, but I don't know. I guess I'm loyal to the brand. That was not a stop, lady. Or male. I don't know who you were. But I'm loyal and I want to keep it how it is for many, many years to come, because I'm hoping that this bike is something that is passed down to our kids once they are old enough to ride, giving them the first sense of freedom. Whoops, I'm way too high of a gear right now. But giving them that sense of freedom out on the road too. So this baby's got to last for a little bit, and I'm sure it will. So yeah, short and quick one today. Had like 15 minutes to maybe get out on the bike before I have to go make dinner. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see any more of these moto videos. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Hi baby. Hi. Your shirt? Do you like your shirt? Yeah. You want nammies? You had a lot of chocolate. Oh, that's great. I know. I think I am. Are you? Oh, look at the chocolate on your face. Yeah. Look at your sweet little chucks. Let me see them. Your shoes. What color are your shoes? Yellow. Red. Really? The moon? Okay. Where is it?
Where'd it go?
Where'd the moon go?
It's not here.
Oh, there it is.
No, it is. No, it is.
No. Look at those beautiful curls.
How come the moon here?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm building a chalk all the way from the fireplace all the way to here.
Wow, that's impressive. Love you.